Every day we spend more time on our devices. If you pick up your phone right now, you're getting multiple different pieces of data from space. As we move forward as a technologically advanced society that is still advancing, more and more of those needs will be based on space infrastructure. Space is very crowded, and it's only going to get a lot more crowded in the coming years. Over the next few years, we will launch more spacecraft than we have in the entirety of humanity's history leading up to it. The way we currently track satellites in space is predominantly using ground-based radars and optical telescopes. As you increase the density of traffic overhead and as you increase the number of maneuverable satellites, the way we currently track things just won't be sufficient to keep up, and the value of those things in space is going up rapidly, and the importance for everyday life is increasing as well. Scout is really developing products to make space more sustainable through the vision systems we've developed. We're predominantly a software-based solution wrapped in what I like to call necessary hardware. A proprietary computer vision, machine learning, guidance, navigation, and control software stack that, when onboard payloads on our customer satellites or on our own satellites, allow them to be aware of their surroundings and perform things that involve relative navigation. You can think of things like autonomous cars, but in space for satellites. And what that does is allow the spacecraft it's hosted on to see an object, be able to detect how far away it is, where it's moving, if it's rotating, and then start to figure out features that are on that object. So we can try to diagnose and figure out what the object is and be able to navigate relative to it. Scout is a company that produces dual-use products, so we service both the government and commercial markets who have interest in the data we'll be providing for safe space operations. We're developing some pretty complex systems and really needed some niche expertise to help us improve our products and prepare for our next generation of products. It's really exciting for me to be a part of Scout to develop these capabilities, to bring about the next generation of amazing thing that's going to happen in space, and to provide more and more capabilities for humanity to grow as a civilization.